To automatically scan document without pressing the shutter button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable auto scan option on camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under intelligent feature section, tap scan document and text. And then tap the gray on option next to auto scan until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key twice. Prepare your document and then point your camera to the document to let the camera detect the document and automatically scan it for you. You can tap download icon to save the scanned document to your gallery app, or you can tap scan icon at the bottom left if you like to adjust the selected area of the scanned document or rotate the document before you save it to your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.